Find the domain and the range for the function f of x is equal to x squared minus 3. Right, if you draw a graph of f of the function, it will look like this. It's a quadratic, and it will go through the point minus 3 because it's x squared minus 3. So it's like x squared but moved down 3 units. Now you should ask yourself this question. Are there any values of x that I cannot put into there and get a result? And the answer is no. You can put every single real value of x into that and you will get an answer. So the domain will be all the values of x. So the arrows here and here mean that they carry on evermore that way and evermore that way. So this is called the domain, and we can write that down. So the domain is x such that x is a real number. Okay, so any value of x we can put into this function. It is a set, so normally we include it as curly brackets. The range is the output values that we will get for this particular function. Notice we will not get any value lower than minus 3. So the range is going to be y greater or equal to minus 3, and y is a real number. Again, we've got curly brackets. The arrow here indicates that this carries on forevermore upwards. Okay, so in this video we have found the domain and a range for a quadratic function, and obviously drawing a graph is quite helpful in this situation. I hope you've understood, and I thank you very much for watching.